Hey there everybody, welcome back. In today's discussion video, I'll be sharing a review of the Delonghi Stilosa machine EC230 that I have been using for 6 months already. If you're new here and you're interested with discussion videos, demo videos about coffee, business, and entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified for my upcoming videos. So in this discussion video, I will be rating the Delonghi Stilosa machine as to four criteria. One would be quality and functionality, two is affordability, three is the ease of use, and four would be the design. Also, make sure to watch till the end of the video because I'll be sharing if this machine can be used for a small coffee business. So I bought the Delonghi machine EC230 July of 2021. But actually, when I went to their showroom here in Cebu, I was actually ready na to purchase the Delonghi Dedica machine, which is at around 24,000. However, what makes me hesitant talaga with Delonghi Dedica is its steam one. Kasi yung steam one niya looks like this. It's makapal and it cannot make, based on reviews, it cannot make really the silky milk that you would want for a latte art. Yung purpose ko talaga, that's why I would like to have a personal espresso machine at home, is for me to practice my extraction skills and also my latte art skills. So, when I entered the showroom and when I saw this small black machine with a very beautiful steam one, sabi ko, oh, magkano yan? So, and then when the sales lady said that it's 8K, I was really in total shock. What? 8K? So, what's the difference? Bakit siya mura compared to the Delonghi Dedica? Mura siya kasi it's very manual, hindi siya programmable. Meaning, you would need skills in extracting espresso for you to create a good espresso from it. So, meaning, kailangan mo siyang i-timer compared to a Breville Barista Express that you can actually program ilang seconds yung pag-extract ng coffee from the beans. Ito, hindi. You have to put in a timer and ikaw mismo, every time, kada dial in mo, you need to do a timer. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-program. For me, it's okay. Because anyway, diba, gusto kong i-practice yung extraction skills ko. And also, I really love its steam one, which looks like this. And it's very, very powerful. Para siya yung mga steam one ng mga commercial type na espresso machines. So ayun, I was really very happy and I was very ready to buy the Delonghi Stilosa machine. Kasi nga, di ba, yung binudget ko 20K plus. Tapos yung Delonghi Stilosa pala is only at 8K. But then, the Delonghi Dedica machine is actually good for those who would like to have a good espresso at home and you don't need extraction skills. Kasi, comparing also the two, yung Delonghi Dedica, just like the other semi-automatic na personal coffee machines, yung portafilter niya, it already has a pressurized basket. So meaning, hindi kailangan talaga na super fine and you don't need extraction skills, coffee extraction skills for you to have that crema. Compared to the Delonghi Stilosa, it's very manual. Aside from you have to program it, yung basket niya or sa portafilter is non-pressurized. So you would really need extraction skills for you to have that good crema and that good espresso. So works for me. That's why I was very happy to purchase the Delonghi Stilosa EC230. So let me show to you the parts of the Delonghi Stilosa machine and how it works. So this is how the Delonghi EC230 looks like. Just really very compact and small. It's color black. So yung switch niya is dito sa gilid. It will turn white and pag ready na for espresso, this would turn green. It has this single knob wherein you turn it to the left for the steam and then to the right for the espresso. Then it has this water indicator and you put the water here sa taas. There you go. And it has extra storage here for the extra baskets. It has one group and then the steam one, very beautiful steam one here. Then meron din siyang removable drip tray. Yan. What I like with black is hindi ganun ka-obvious pag, nadumihan siya. Ito yung lever for the steam wand. So to steam, you just turn the knob to the left, tapos bring down the lever, and ayun, steam na siya.
And then we wait na mag-color green itong okay so that we could now make the espresso. Yun. Nag-green na siya. So this is now ready. So let's just purge once for the espresso. Yun. And we're good. And we'll try to make now espresso. So ito yung portafilter that comes with the machine. It's a non-pressurized portafilter. It has two baskets, a single and a double basket. Ito namang distributor, I bought this sa Shopee. Not included. And then the machine also comes with this spoon that would also serve as a tamper, but I have my own tamper. Now we're ready to extract our espresso from the Delonghi EC230. So you would need a weighing scale. I'll turn that on and put in my glass. Also turn on the timer once I start extracting. Unlike other espresso machines na automatic siya nagsa-stop, ito I really literally be the one to stop it using the knob. There you go. Very beautiful crema with this machine. Nice. Then we'll steam the milk with this very beautiful steam one, very powerful also. So we purge once and lift the steam wand to our steam pitcher. By the way, wala pang kasaling steam pitcher yung package ng machine. So you have to buy your own steam pitcher as well. Beautifully made silky milk with the steam wand of the Delonghi EC230. Nice. Really like white latex paint. And let's do some latte art.
All right, let's now rate the DeLonghi EC230 Stilosa machine. For me, quality and functionality, I would be giving it at 8 over 10. The 2 points lacking would be the functionality as to making it programmable. But anyways, it explains, no, with the second criteria, affordability, bawing-bawi siya, it's 10 over 10. Kung pwede ko kang gawing 11 over 10. It's really, really very cheap, just at 8K with that powerful steam one and a very good machine to create espresso. 10 over 10, really. Next would be the ease of use. Yun nga lang, kasi, di ba, I've mentioned earlier, kailangan talaga siya ng skills in being able to extract good espresso. Kailangan, alam mo yung coffee extraction method. So I would be giving it at 6 over 10. But for me, it really works kasi I have that skill. So to those who are still practicing and gustong matuto, I really don't suggest a DeLonghi Stilosa, most especially if wala ka pang background in extracting coffee because baka yung coffee mo maging over or under extracted lang. right? So you better use the DeLonghi Dedica, which has already a pressurized portafilter, pressurized baskets and portafilter, and it could create the crema that we would need for a good espresso. Then lastly, for the last criteria as to design, I'm giving it 8 over 10. I actually like how small it is. It's black and very compact lang. And I think yung 2 points lang is that it's just made of plastic. But anyways, diba, again, the affordability 10 over 10 explains. So the 2 points stacking for the design would just be because it's made of plastic. And that's a total of 33 over 40 for the DeLonghi machine, Stilosa EC230. I really love this machine. Really, really worth the price. So question, Faye, can this be used for a small coffee business? Now, as what I've mentioned, diba, when you extract espresso, kailan mo siyang timbangin every now and then. Hindi siya programmable. So it would take time when you create your drink or your espresso for your drink sa cafe mo. Another thing is it might deteriorate if you use it like let's say more than 20 cups a day. So if you are just having it at part time or maybe you're doing it over the weekend, let's say max lang of 10 cups or 10 shots per day over the weekend, then that would do. Pero if you think in your cafe, the small cafe mo kahit malit lang, you would be making more than 20 espresso shots per day, then if you use the DeLonghi Stilosa, baka masira lang siya in like 1 month. So, sayang naman yung pera mo. So, better invest it na in a commercial made, yung machine talaga na for commercial use. So, I hope this video helped you in deciding if you would be buying the DeLonghi Stilosa EC230 espresso machine. If you have questions specifically for that machine, you can connect with me in my Instagram at ThaylorRainMA. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next videos.